just brought in this 1993 SmokerCraft. This boat was an older, rundown, cruising style boat. We're gonna make it into a fishing cruise. So some fishing seats, some lounging seats, a sun deck. We're gonna bring this right up to speed with new railings, new flooring. This is about the softest deck I think that we've ever seen. The carpet is barely holding on. The wood is all rotten underneath. We've got seats that are falling apart, old wooden seats, pretty rotten underneath. We've got our floor itself, super soft. The console's falling apart. There's actually no top on it anymore. Captain's chair is falling apart. The lean back seat is flimsy. The table's falling on the back. A tree fell across, so tore up the seat, ruined the railings. Totally new boat when we're done with it. We've got a bit of a saggy last cross member. That's how much we're sagging, a good half an inch. So what do? We take out the S channel, replace it with the tube, and make this boat last a lot longer, and the work that we're doing on the floor last a lot longer and look better. We are back with the 1993 SmokerCraft, completely refurbished into a fishing and cruising boat. As you'll see, folding fishing seats up front, a pair of them, just enough room for a couple people to sit out on front and fish while everybody else is relaxing inside. We have LED headlights. This boat got the new DeckMate railings in blue. We did a 28-inch corner to give a little bit more space on the front deck, and you'll see how that works with the armrests in the front corners. Doors on each side, plus the front and the stern entry and back, with the heavy-duty removable swim ladder. The swim ladder goes on and off easy, it stows away. Let's climb in and show you what we did on the inside. In the front of the boat, we have a pair of 38-inch seats with an armrest in each corner. There is storage underneath. This boat got individual snap-on covers from our seamstress. It's something that a local upholstery shop could probably do for you. As we make our way towards the back, we have a standard console with that same gray, blue, and charcoal pattern in the front. We have a left lean back seat over here that flows into a 38-inch bench, a 28 corner, and then into a 28 bench. Storage underneath all of those with a triangle table and a flush mount in the back corner here. We do have the sun deck as well. So we'll be able to put the gas tank in that back corner. Our battery is right underneath here. So we have everything, easy access. This would be great storage for a cooler, towels, whatever it might be. But again, there's tons of storage under all of these seats. We did the economy bimini top. This is easy to put up, easy to assemble. And then at the helm, we have a fishing seat. So they wanted to be able to remove the seats and put them inside or in a dock box. No problem with these. They fold and they come right out. They're on the pedestal bases. And then we have a 5-switch panel. We have our horn, we have our navigation lights up front. We also have our headlights up front. And then we have our exterior LEDs underneath the deck. Can't see them in the light, but they're under there. And then we have our stereo from DeckMate. 2 speakers in this boat, just enough sound so that everyone can hear it without overpowering the conversation in the boat. This boat's got a whole new facelift. From the gray vinyl weave floor all the way to the railings and furniture. This is what's possible with DeckMate and Pontoon Stuff.